Hey yo, what's Gucci? What's good, YouTube? This is your favorite mentor, Uncle Nasdaq, back again, guys, with another banger, guys. So, as you guys saw in the title and in the thumbnail, guys, we're gonna be speaking or we're gonna be analyzing, and I'm gonna be showing you results of how US30 made me to over 2,000 rands today, right? And I would like to say that there was a time that I didn't trade US30, right? There was a time that I didn't trade US30. It was now for a while, right? Because I believe the market has seasons, and then the market sometimes the market doesn't move according to your strategy, right? So I had to tweak my strategy, and now I'm winning, right, from US30, right? So guys, if it's your first time to the channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. And if you're a returner, just click the like button, dog. Comment down below, and if this video gets at least 50 likes, guys, at least 50 likes, then I'm gonna drop a live trading session, or at least a day in the life. Yeah, you know the vibes, guys. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So guys, we are currently on the US30 charts, guys, and as you can see, we're here to analyze the market, and we are here to predict what's going to happen next. And I'm here to show you how I traded US30 today and how I made over 2,000 rands, right? So first and foremost, I'm just going to outline okay, let me just add that back to my watch list. I'm just going to outline this point because it's my highest point, right, on US30. Now this is according to my new strategy, right, on US30. Now I cannot really go into depth with how I do my zones and what, so I'm just going to be giving you guys a brief, just something yana, just for you guys to at least get the idea of what we're doing here, right? So that's what I'm going to be highlighting, right? So once we have this, now we have a clear mindset that if the market can come to one of these places, we could expect, a shaking thing, to say the market is shaking. So now we're just going to draw the zone that's going to be acting as our support trend line. So as you guys can see, the support trend line has been broken, guys. The support trend line has been broken. So we're going to move down or push down to the 4-hour time frame so we can see what's happening in the market, what's making the market buy, what's making the market sell, what's making the market move in a consolidation, right? So for the longest time, I've been struggling with trading US30, right? So now we know that the market already broke out, so that trend line is invalid, right? But that was the trend line that confirmed to me that, okay, look, go say the market now, it's time to sell, right? So now we do have like a breakout nyan, right? We do have like a breakout nyana, like a zone. So now we do have something like this, right? So we do have something like this. We do have something like this. So what happened here, we know that the market gave us an impulse, correction, impulse. What's happening here? It's a correction, guys. And then we caught this impulsive move. That's how we made money, guys. So now I'm just gonna elaborate to you guys how we came about catching that move. So first and foremost, if you can see now, the market was forming a new trend line, right? The market was forming a new trend line. Now, for me, it was very sketchy for the market to come back to this point from here, because remember, the market didn't hit previous support. So for the market to come back, it can't come hit this resistance, because remember, to hit a resistance, you have to come from support, and to hit support, you have to come from resistance, right? Why do you think the market is struggling to hit this support, right? It's because the market, it can't hit the support because it's not coming from a resistance, right? And it can't hit resistance because it's not coming from support. Now, I believe this market will go up and go hit resistance. Why am I saying so? Because if you look closely, the market has created a support, and this is a very strong support. Why? Because this is a double bottom, right? Ish, but guys, let me not expose my strategy, guys. Let me not expose my things, right? Let's get into how I actually made that 2,000 rands, right? Let me not expose my strategy here. Next time you'll be seeing brokers coming with a warrant of arrest, and then anything I say will be held against me in the court of law. What? Yeah, but guys, jokes aside, right? So we do have another zone here, right? So at least maybe if the market can come here, yeah, now you can scalp it. And so now what we saw is that, okay, cool. Let's see, the market created this channel, right? Which means now that the market broke out, right? The market now, it has to sell, right? And then what I did is I just took this high right over here, right? This high right over here, which acted like a supply nya, right? Now, why am I taking this high? Because remember, if you take this high, look, this was a previous supply. So when the market tapped into this thing, it sold hard, which now we can identify the zone as our supply, right? It's not an order block, it's a supply. So guys, please pause the video, like this video, go subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. You know the vibes. And if you're looking for a broker to trade with, guys, trade with AQ Market, the fastest growing broker in Africa, guys. NFP is coming. Fund your account with AQ Markets, guys, and win with us. Bye. Right. So after the market sold, the market came back and tapped into the zone, and the market has been giving us rejections ever since, right? So when the market broke out here and retested and gave us this fake outs, it was just now for retail traders actually to execute their buys. You know, you get the full margin traders, they are like, guys, this is 330, we are going in chopper, and then the market will chop you because remember, there's no discipline. So now the market came back into the zone, and me, I was just watching, guys. I was just watching as the market came back. And then now imagine this was around the morning hours, right? 8 to like 12 o'clock. And then here was like London session. And then when the market came here, I was like, no, dog, the market has a resistance here, right? I can feel that resistance. I can see that resistance. Because sometimes it may not vary off of technical analysis, right? Sometimes it's about your experience, guys, what you know in the market. Because as an experienced trader, you know that if the market rejects here and it comes back here, you know that you have to sell, dog. It's just an experience thing, like saying, no, I know when I walk this road to school, I'm gonna get mugged, right? But if I walk this road, I'm gonna be safe, right? And it's based on experience. Because remember last time you walked this road and then you were mugged, right? So walking the other road or the other path, it's gonna be more safe. So you get me, you get what I'm saying, guys. Leave a comment down below, guys. Leave a comment, tell me how the videos are. And for those who are leaving comments, guys, I'm very grateful for you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the boy, right? But nonetheless, guys, I saw the market, tapping into the zone, and then I saw this strong move. This is when I knew I had to scale down to my 1 hour time frame, because now on US30, now I'm gonna be exposing my strategy, guys. On US30, I don't move down on a time frame if I'm confirmed. Let me say I confirmed my entry on a 4 hour time frame. Then there's no need for me to go down to a 1 hour time frame. It's only you have to fund more capital if you're trading on a bigger time frame, right? Guys, now I'm giving you guys important information here, valuable shit, right? You need to fund more capital, like at least like 4,000 rands, nyana. That's now when you're trading US30, right? You need to fund more capital. Or when you're trading it's any indices, right? You just have to fund more capital in order for you to actually sustain the account, in order for you to hold those losses. Because at the end of the day, if you fund like a 1,000 rand, right? Let's say you fund a 1,000 rand, the market retests here, right? If you sell here, it's fine. Like in this case, when the market retested here, it was fine, right? It was good to sell. It's okay, right? But then let's say the market came to this zone and then it faked out before selling, then your 1K account is gone. But if you have a 3K account or a 4K account, the market can come here and then come back. Your account won't be affected, right? So I saw the market giving me this drop. And where did I start confirming my sales? Where did I start confirming my sales is the $1,000,000 question, right? So this is where we hit our trend line. This is where we had our trend line, guys. Now what I did is I just brought this trend line in a little bit, right? I just brought it in a little bit, just for you guys to see me clearly what I did here. Sharp. So this is how the trend line was. Now before this market structure came here, this price action, this is how the trend line was, right? Now you scale down to your 15 minutes time frame, right? Now this is now for you. Let me just find 1530, guys. Let me just find 1530. Right, it's about round about here. So this trend line is a bit wrong. Let me just yeah, like that. So the trend line gave me exactly this touch, right? And then if you see the analysis, I'm gonna post the analysis now, guys. It's gonna be here on the top left, right? I had like a resistance here, right? I had a resistance here, and I was like, okay, Oguti, the market can't pass this zone without touching support, right? The market can't pass this zone without touching support. So it means when the market taps here, 330, we're gonna sell. Guys, 330, we're gonna sell. And then I was like, nah, I was skeptical, right? And then firstly, I wanted to buy Nasdaq, right? I actually bought Nasdaq, but I was having a very tight stop loss. That's why I could actually enter US30 again, right? So then I had this trend line here guiding me to say that, okay, guys, the market is giving us some type of like a pennant nyana, like a rising wedge nyana. And then inside here, we had like a bearish flag, right? Inside here, we had like a bearish flag. This is when I knew, okay, no, this thing now, it's really time for US30 to start selling, right? So I went down to my 5-minute time frame. This is when I sent the signal to the group. I sent it to the Lifetime Group VIP, to the Cartel Signal Group, and I did send it to GT College Free Signals Group, guys. If you guys want to join the free signals where we send exclusive signals, just tap the link below in the description box. You will be able to join the signals and win with us, guys. Just make sure you're trading with the best broker, which is AQ Markets, guys. Yeah, guys. So as the market approached this trend line, I was like, nah, Doug, I need to see price action, right? So this was around 2 o'clock, right? And then the market just suddenly dropped. Guys, I won't lie to you guys. I was tempted to enter here, but I was like, no, Doug, the market isn't convincing me, right? The market isn't convincing me. So I left the market, right? And then I saw this double top, guys. I saw this double top and I was like, nah, fuck it, I'm going in, right? I don't know if YouTube is gonna exploit me or strike me for swearing, guys, but I'm happy for the trade that I took, right? So as I'm on the 5-minute, I saw this candlestick closing like this, and then I saw this candlestick as a confirmation. Why am I saying so? Firstly, it broke this low, right? And then secondly, the wick that the market created here, or this candlestick, the volume it created here, was very convincing for me to sell, right? And now when that candlestick closed, exactly when that candlestick closed, guys, I won't lie to you guys, I will show you guys the trade. I took my trade there. Ish, what's wrong with you? Hey, you on your periods or what? What's wrong with you doing? Don't take long positions, boy. Am I drunk or what? Okay, cool. Short position, right? This is where I took my sell, guys. And I literally had my stop loss above this high, guys. I literally had my stop loss above that high. And then I knew for a fact that the market is going to come at this support, right? Which it didn't. And which I didn't even wait for it. Like, guys, as soon as the market came somewhere around about here, I closed my trade, guys. Because I was like, nah, dog. I'm trading with AQ markets, more. So if you're trading with AQ markets, it's just like a 2 minute, or you just wait for two candlesticks. Yeah, nah, you made like a young 2000, yeah, young 5000. You out, dog. You good, right? Other than trading with these some brokers that when you're trading Nasdaq, you holding for 5 hours, it's only giving you 18 rand. Now that's bullshit, dog. Yeah, guys. So you guys remember the last video whereby I flipped 250 rand to 1.2, right? And that was purely with AQ markets, guys. AQ markets is like simply the best broker, guys. Like, what should I ask for? Fast withdrawals, your money is safe, your funds is safe, your funds are safe. Like, when you deposit money, it's instantly. When you withdraw money, it's very instant. Like, it's no joke, guys. It's instant. If you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see, guys. I'm gonna start posting withdrawals from AQ markets. For this time, I was just testing the broker and being on low key, but now I respect AQ Markets, guys, and I love what AQ Markets does. Thank you, AQ Markets, for coming to us and giving us a smooth trading platform and actually making us feel at home, right, with your broker, right? So currently, guys, what am I looking for Nasdaq, for US30? So, like I mentioned, guys, let me just go back to the 15 minutes time frame, right? Let me just go back to the 15 minutes time frame. This analysis aren't valuable no more, right? Cool. So what I'm expecting from the market is at least, guys, because now we do have this type of a double bottom yana, but the market, it's already retracing past where it was supposed to buy, because it was only supposed to retest 50% and buy. Esh, guys, now I'm telling you my strategy, guys. You guys should like this video. This video should get to 50 at least 50 likes, guys. Yo, I almost said 50k. Yo, hey, but yeah, but like the video, guys. You know the vibes. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get the channel to 1000 subscribers, guys. The content we upload here is valuable, and I've been working for you guys, right? Let's help each other out, right? Let's push the span, right? So now what I'm waiting for from US30 is just simple, guys. I'm just simply waiting for the market to create like that triple bottom, come here, breakout, give us that retest, and then buy, right? But there are two scenarios that can happen in forex, right? There are two things that can happen: the market could buy or the market could sell. So another thing that I'm looking for is the market to actually break out here, give us like a let's say, because this is a young resistance to be if it breaks out. So it should give us something like this of this nature, and then give us like a selling opportunity Yana, right? That's what I'm looking for on US30. But I will just be looking at price action because I don't trade this time. I only trade around 15:30. So if the market can break out here and do whatever it wants, and then tomorrow by 3:30, if I find it below this zone, I'm gonna sell. If I find it above this trend line, I'm gonna buy. It's that simple, guys. Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, that's what we did, guys. Yo, guys, I'm so happy, guys. And remember, GT Algo is still here. Here you go with the poster of GT Algo. The course is also still here of 1,000, guys, because me personally, I choose skill over signals, guys. I choose mentorship over signals. Why do I choose mentorship over signals? Now some students will be saying I choose mentorship over signals because I charge more for mentorship. No, that's not the case, because remember, when you're watching YouTube, we can only give you a limited amount of things. Because imagine if I was teaching you guys free, right? Imagine if I was teaching you guys free. You guys won't value the info that I'm giving you. You'll be like, I'll only watch this thing 20 minutes. Then I'll go drink. Then I'll go smoke. But if you actually paid 1K for mentorship, you're not gonna go smoke, dog. You're gonna wait until you're done with that thing, and you're gonna go do what you have to do or whatever, guys. And then you're gonna come back for fun time, guys. So guys, yeah, guys, that's the end of the video, guys. The course is here. WhatsApp numbers down below. Free channel down below. Yeah, guys, even the link to AQ Markets is down below. Go sign up, guys. Click the link, sign up, fund 500, guys, and then you can win the giveaway. This one, we're doing it straight with the broker. And then AQ Markets merch coming out soon, guys. You guys know the vibes. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, guys. And as I said, let this video at least hit 50 likes, guys, for us to drop another video, guys. If you guys are looking for paid mentorship or the GT algo, my WhatsApp number will be in the description below, guys. Make sure you trade with AQ Markets. To trade with AQ Markets, just go to my Instagram, click in the link on my bio, and then after registering and funding at least the minimum of 500 rands, make sure you tag Uncle Nasdaq, which is me, and AQ Markets, the broker, to stand a chance to win the following amounts, right? So I think it's around 3,000, 2,000, and 1,000, or somewhere around about there, right? But I'm gonna put the poster here so you guys can see, and then just do those steps, guys. And yeah, guys, make sure you get a funded account, guys. Make sure you get a funded account. NFP is coming up. You wanna make sure you trade with a trusted broker, right? So nonetheless, guys, this is your boy Uncle Nasdaq signing out. Danke.